Okay, so this is attempt number 2. If you look close enough, this thing, when you go to slide it on, it doesn't want to go on. So I went and watched the GNC video, and they had the same problem. But then they cut and edited. They probably went and got somebody who knew what they were doing. But when the video cut back on, it had shoved back all the way on the 1/2 inch. So I had to take everything back out. Some of it stayed on the pistons, and I took them out, reassembled everything. But what I wanted to show you was I lubed up cleaned that up a little better right there at the very ends, and I put lube right on the very front, because when you first shove it on, all the seal shoves the lube off, your all-purpose grease. So I made sure there was some on the hex part of those pistons, if that makes sense. So hopefully you can get it lubed up. I'll see if that works, okay? You don't want to pinch anything putting it back together. But anyway, if it all slides on okay, this was be the end of the 3rd video, 2nd attempt anyway. Yeah. Hey, Earth to GNC. Could you go ahead and show us what you actually did when it wouldn't go on all the way instead of cutting and editing? All right, bye.